Hello everyone, good morning, this is Tita Yagi channel. Guys, look my tomato. This is a black tomato. Very nice. I have many different kind of tomatoes. This one is a cherry purple tomato. Just start. And you know what is this one here? It's a physalis. Flower start. And I show you my melon. Zucchini. And my cherry tomato. Carnivore plant. Money tree. Snake plant. Pitching the fruit trees. It's a peach, white peach fruit tree. Let's go over here. My espada chili. It's like a Christmas tree. Mini fruits. Of course, I introduce you my Artemisia. Artemisia annua. I always plant Artemisia annua to mix it with my misclone salad. And of course, this is really for a tea. Let's see here. This is a lemon, yellow lemon. Copper citrus. I use it for curry. And a green lemon. Thank you so much for watching, everyone.